Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, hatch chilies. They're in. It's that time of year to do some hatch chili stuff. We're going to do a smoked smashed potatoes with some hatch chilies in them. We're going to load them up, some bacon, some Boursin cheese. It's going to be delicious. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Stick around, you don't want to miss this one. Okay, today we're going to roll with the vortex. I got some spent coals in there, and they still got a little life in them, and some applewood. Got a chimney full of delicious coals right there. Put those on there. Give it a chunk of applewood. Put our grate on. We'll get started next. Alright, here's our cast of characters today. We got some Yukon Gold potatoes, we got some cooked bacon, and it's probably about 6 slices cooked and chopped, garlic, shallot, 2 hot hatch chili peppers, some delicious Boursin cheese. If you never tried this, you got to. It'll change your world. Asiago cheese, shredded, and some heavy cream. Might add some milk, salt, pepper, whatever. Let's get her going next. Alright, time to start adding stuff to our Weber kettle. I forgot. I was using butter. You gotta have butter in there too. Yeah, so we're using that. So let's get started. Let's get our potatoes on. First and foremost here, we've got our kettle. It's hanging around 350 in the dome, so it's probably around 325 down here. So we want to place our potatoes around. Basically baking these potatoes, smoking, baking, whatever you want to call it. Alright, we're going to place the potatoes around. We're going to give those about a 15-minute head start, and we'll start some other stuff. It is now time to add some more dilution to our Weber kettle. Let's see our, it's hot. See how our potatoes doing? They're doing well. They're really good. And I forgot to say beforehand, I oiled those, salt and peppered every one of them. So, got a little oil on them, a little lube on them. Good to go. Alright, so everybody's flipped over. Everybody's got to start. We will put our 2 hatch chilies right there in the middle because we want to char those up. We got our shallots right here. And they can lay out there. And our delicious clove of garlic. Where are we going to put them? And put them back there. Alright. Cover them up. Get it open up. We'll get them back up to about 400. Get some hatching going on here. Okay, let's check on the hatch. I already turned them once, but show you how they look right here. See how that skin's coming off of them? That's what you look for right there. Nice and charred. Looking good. What I'm do is I'm going to take these off right here, over there. I'm going to let them cool a sec. I'm going to put them into a Ziploc bag and let them steam off the skin. And we'll go around, flip our potatoes. You don't need to see me flipping all the potatoes, but you get the gist. All right, we're about 45 minutes in. Let's check our stuff. Hatch chilies are in. They were took care of them. I put them in that baggie, and I took the skin off them, and I chopped them up. These are our potatoes, looking good. The bigger ones need just a couple more minutes. Our shallots looking good, and our garlic down here. He's getting ready to rumble. He is getting ready to rumble. I'm telling you, won't be long for him. And next time we see you, we'll be in that ugly Tupperware bowl and making our hatch chili smashed potatoes. Alright, so here we have our potatoes. Looking delicious. Smoked and delicious and cooked to whatever. Anyway, Boursin cheese, 1 whole package. That's going in. Butter, 1 whole stick of butter will go in. And what we'll do to start this parade out is we'll get that butter and Boursin incorporated with our potatoes to see what we need for cream or whatever, salt, pepper, you name it. These are smashed, these are not mashed, so you're going to have skins, you're going to have whatever, and that's the way it should be. Because then you will get your nutrients out of your skins, etc. Alright, good start. Green chilies are Hatch green chilies. These are the hot ones, actually. 2 of them go in there. 1 big shallot. It'll go into the mix. Our garlic right here. We're going to just squeeze that in there. Get our bulbs out. Whatever falls, falls. Whatever doesn't, doesn't. Like go in the yard. We don't need that because that's skin. We don't want that. Bacon. So we got a little bit of bacon here. It's probably about, screw it, 5 slices of cooked bacon. Cooked. And we'll add some heavy whipping cream to this. And Boursin cheese right here. Nice heavy dose. That's good. A cup of it will go in there. Alright, we'll do this a mishmash here. Alright, those are some darn good looking Hatch Chile Smashed Potatoes. Let's put her up next. Alright, so we have done it. We made our potatoes. Let's plate them up. They're delicious and they are freaking, get out of there, fly. They are freaking good. So, some on there. Smashed Hatch Chile potatoes with boursin, shallot, you name it, it's in there. They're looking good, standing high, looking delicious. And just so everybody stays off my case, we're gonna add a delicious ribeye to that I grilled up. Also, get out of there, fly. All right, that's it. We will take a little taste test from the back here. Oh, it's good. Got a little tang to it, got a little spice to it. Actually, got a little smoke to it. Really good. Give it a shot. Make it your own. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. We'll see you next week. Get out of there, fly. Have a good one, peeps. Stay safe.